Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. I'm sorry guys, I've been gone for like 2 weeks. I apologize. I've been a little under the weather, but I'm great. Thank God I'm great. And today guys, I'm going to teach you how to make my famous little mini gold pies. I hope you all had a great Easter, and I'm very happy to be back. And as always, let's go over to the ingredients, guys, and let's check them out. Very simple. Your basic pie crust. I have a box of pie crust right here. As you can see right here, my pie crust. I have 1 egg for egg wash. We're going to egg wash it. I have my gold little sprinkles to make it a gold little mini pie. Cream cheese. I have guava, and I also have some AP flour here to dust. My oven is preheated at 450. You can fry these pies if you'd like. You can even fry them in the air fryer. Today I'm going to bake them traditionally because I know not all of us have air fryers. So I'm going to show you how easy and delicious this is. You guys, you ready? All right, let's get started. My crust. I'm going to go ahead and put some AP flour on my little cutter, my cute cutter. Press down. Got my little number 1. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Whew. That is so cute. And then I'm going to grab another one. So these are going to be pretty much bite size. These are cute when you have guests over and, whoops. You can just put them all on a platter and they're bite size. They're kind of traditionally like the hors d'oeuvres they would walk around at a wedding or something and serve. Very cute. So if you're having a sweet tooth, this is not really a lot. You can pop 2 or 3 in your mouth and it's not really a lot. And always remember, cream cheese is a lot healthier even than butter. So always remember that. And guava is very good for you too. There's a lot of sweetness in the guava paste. So you have to limit yourself, but that's okay. We all have cheat days. Don't you guys agree? Alright, so I've got 2, 4, 6. So let's get 8. I'm going to get 2 more. We're going to make these, you guys. And when I come back, I'm going to make these with you now real quick. And when I come back, I'm going to have that whole cookie sheet full of them. So always remember, guys, you see the leftover pie crust? I don't throw anything away. So I'm just going to keep this right here. Alright, so we're going to line these up. We're going to get number 1. Now I'm going to grab a knife, which I did not grab, of course. I'm going to grab a knife for my guava and a knife for my cream cheese. So we're going to grab a piece of cream cheese, a slice of cream cheese. You see that? The regular slice. And we are going to cut it in half. And we're going to put 1 right here. Oops. And we're going to put the other one right here. Like I said, these are bite size, so we're going to do that. Now we're going to put the cream cheese. Now we're going to get the guava. Oh, this guava is so delicious, but so sticky. It's pretty sticky, but it's so delicious, you guys. God. I'm going to cut the guava in half, and we're going to push down. Right here. Push down. For a minute, my egg wash is ready. My egg wash consists of 1/3 cup of water and 1 egg. Yes, I don't make it very eggy. And it will work the same. It'll seal, it'll bind your little pie. It'll give it a nice golden crust. Ugh, you'll love it. So watch this. So I'm going to grab some of my egg wash, bring it closer to my cutting board, and I'm going to do this. So with the next pies, I'm going to put it on there first. It's a lot easier. But this will definitely seal it. Push it in like that. Pie, our little pie. We've got our little sealed pie, and we are going to score it in the middle. Just score it in the middle because we don't want it to explode on us. So you can make a cute little pie shape like they do, like a little T. I just put 1 little slit in the middle. Oh, and that guava and that cream cheese will start oozing out. It's so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at that cute pie. Now let's put a little more egg wash on top. on the sides and on top. And I'm going to seal this properly. Ooh, looks messy on my cutting board, but that's okay. That's because I should have egg washed it before I sealed it. So, but look, you can still seal it. How cool is that? You know, we're all human and we all forget things, so there's nothing here to grab a napkin, get all this egg wash off my hands. I hope you guys noticed my cute little lights in the back. I have a little controller where I can make them flash if I wanted to. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's sprinkle. Be careful with your little sprinkles. I like the gold ones. That's why I call them gold coins. So let me show you. Give you a cute close-up of this. Look at that. How cute is that? And we're going to bake it. I have the oven preheated at 400. I have my little cookie rack here so when they come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some parchment paper, guys. I'm going to line my pan with parchment paper, spray it, because of course, to me, everything sticks. Although with parchment paper it won't, but I still have to spray it with my spray. And when I come back, guys, we're going to have all that full. We're going to put it in the oven. You guys, you don't want to miss this. It's so cute. I'll be right back. Hey, guys, I'm back for a second. And I cut my other little shells up, my other little coins. And I wanted to come back and show you what I mean. What I'm going to do with it first, it's a lot easier. It can be done either way, but this is the easiest way to do it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to egg wash around the edges of the pie. Then we're going to take our... So cute, though, because you've got that little medallion in the middle. It almost looks like a ravioli, you guys. It really almost looks like a ravioli, I kid you not. Oops, I'm dropping everything here. Alright, we've got our cream cheese. I'll put it right there. And we're going to save this one for the next one. And we've got our little guava right there. Just push down a little bit to spread the cream cheese. Guava and cream cheese are like, oh... They're a match made in heaven, guys. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and egg wash lightly the other one. And pick it up, put it down. And we're just going to, this is going to be our glue, see? It acts like the glue. Egg wash is awesome. Egg wash is a great glue when you're baking. I love baking. I actually have another video that I made with some s'mores bars, which I don't know if any of you have come across my ad or not, but you should check it out. I'm going to link it above here on this video. You guys can check it out. It's so yummy. I have great cookie recipes. So I'm going to sprinkle my little gold. Look how pretty that is. You guys, let me know in the comments if you agree that this freaking looks like a ravioli. Oh my God. It does. It looks like a ravioli. Okay, guys, so I'm going to work my magic. I'm going to continue to make the rest exactly like I just showed you. We'll egg wash the outside of each one first. Makes it a lot easier to put it together. And then I do one little slice in the middle. You can do a cross if you want to. It's up to you. And when I come back, this beautiful tray, look at this. I lined it with parchment and I sprayed it. Look at that. I should call them cookie raviolis. Guava and cream cheese raviolis. How's that? But no, they are guava and cream cheese gold coin. I'll be right back, guys, and you don't want to miss this. Hey, guys, I'm back, and our beautiful guava and cream cheese gold coins are ready to go in the oven. Don't forget, when we egg wash the outside of each disc, you put them together, and you press around the edges, and it'll seal. Make sure you put some egg wash on top, and don't forget to score it. With pie crust, if you don't score it, the heat will stay inside and your pie will explode. So always remember to score it with a knife. I just put a little slit across. You can do a cross like they do with apple pie. It's up to you. But make sure you egg wash it before you sprinkle your beautiful gold dust or whatever it is you want to use. I use gold. That's why I call them gold coins. Look at that. I mean, is that a treat? That's a treat. That's a real treat, guys. So now, you guys, I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven until golden brown. And it's going to be flaky and crusty. And when I come back, guys, I am going to plate them. I'm going to taste them and show you what they look like on the inside. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, my new little light show is flashing because I'm so excited. As you can see, I have my little light show flashing because I'm so excited. I've got my little mini guava and cream cheese gold coin pies out of the oven. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. Look at this. How does that look? Is that the cutest thing ever? My gosh. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one and I'm going to cut it in half. Let's taste it. My favorite part. It's still kind of warm. Look at that. Look at, oh my goodness. Oh my God. I need to show you guys this. Ow, this is hot. Let me show you. Watch. Look at this. Look at the guava with the cream cheese. Look at this, you guys. You see that? The guava with the cream cheese. Oh my God. This is so delicious, you guys. So easy to make and so cute. And now it's hot. I'm going to try it. Oh my God. Oh, so delicious, you guys. Oh, you guys have no idea how delicious this is. But I'll take another bite just to make sure. Hot. That melted guava, so creamy. The cream cheese is not too sweet, so it balances out with the sweetness of the guava. Look at this, you guys. Let me show you something. Look how flaky that pie crust is. You see that? See the flakes? You guys. This was so easy and so beautiful to make. You can make it at home with your kids. So much fun to make. Get your little sprinkle dust, whether you get gold or silver, whatever you like, you guys. It's always a fun time with your family in the kitchen. It's bonding time, whether it's with your husband, with your kids. It's just fun. And these little snacks are so adorable for any company, even for your family, for a snack. And it's just so creamy and so delicious. And I love how the cream cheese balances out with the sweetness of the guava. It's not over sweet. It's just perfect. Remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much, as always. If not, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. So like I said, I've been busy for the past 2 weeks. I've been a little under the weather, and I've been working on my brand, on my merchandise, which is coming out soon. Still working on my cookbook, which is also coming out soon. This is the reason for all. I've been so busy. But coming to you and doing these videos that I love so much, these episodes rather than I call them, and of course of how much I love to cook. Always remember, guys, never forget, always incorporate your 2 main ingredients, which are passion and love. When you incorporate those 2 main ingredients in any recipe, your recipe will not fail. I repeat, your recipe will not fail. I don't care who you are. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. You will not fail, because that's 2 key ingredients in any recipe, guys. And you guys, as I always say, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back, and I will see you guys then. Take great care, you guys. Bye.